Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you the home screen of Wondershare Filmora 9 editing platform. Yes, for that you have to click on this logo icon that is Wondershare Filmora 9. So as I have already clicked, so I will click here and I will click on the new project. So wow, cool. This is the Filmora Wondershare home screen from where you can edit your videos, edit your audios, everything. So this is the platform where you can drop your video clips, images, audio here or click here to import media. So this is the main area. You have to drop the video and image on this timeline and it will show you here. Okay, so what are the features here? You can see here media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, split screen. Yes. So these are the option here like new project, open project, whatever, edit, tools, view, whatever view, export, how you can export your video, audio, whatever. So this is audio. You will get some audio inside the software. So these are the audio you can use, and in the later part I will show you how to get audio or music for free from other website. So you can see here young, bright, whatever. Now it's time to see titles, custom opener titles. That means opener titles. These are the opener titles. End credits. If you have any video and if you want to give end credits, it will go like this. Yes, so these are the benefits here. Your timelines where you can insert audio, video, everything. So I will go in detail in the coming lessons. So this much for this lesson. I hope you liked it. Meet you in the next lesson. For now, bye bye.